How to convert low-quality videos to 4K resolution using AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. So now let's start by downloading our converter. In our case, we will be using this Video Pro. Just go to their site or copy this link over here. Now you can see this download for free. Click on it and save it to your desired path. Hit save once done. After that, go to your file location. Then double tap the video proc file over here to install. On this prompt, click install. After installing, click launcher. On this prompt again, you may purchase their full version with 50% off, or if you want, you can use the trial with limited features. Click on remind me later below. After that, click next over here and click this process video below. To convert your video to 4K, click the super resolution over here. You can drag and drop your video or click this arrow to import your file. Then wait for it to import. Now let's navigate to your right. On the AI model over here, just select which type your video is. In our case, let's choose anime over here. Select high quality over here. Then on model settings, click on resolution. On the drop-down, select 4K. Once done, click run below, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!